What's up, everybody? I'm Sonny the Badger, and welcome to my Friday free ride. Every Friday, I take you on a ride with me. We talk about motorcycle stuff. So today's episode is about my Fatboys. So for years, I've heard people on both sides of the fence. Fatboys come with the solid dish wheels. And I've seen lots of arguments that it doesn't matter whether they're spoke or whether they're dish, the dish wheels have no effect on the way the bike reacts in the wind and how it rides. So, I actually have 3 Fatboys, one with spoke wheels, one with the traditional dish wheels, and one with custom wheels. So, between the 3, got probably 150,000 miles on them. So I feel like if ever there was an expert on how it feels riding those bikes, I'd be that guy. So I thought I would tackle this subject today. Let's get started. Alright, first guys, I'm going to introduce you to the bikes that I'm talking about. Today it's going to be the silver 2005 CVO and the red 2005 CVO. So not only do I have Fatboys, but I have the exact same year, make, and model of Fatboys. One with spoke wheels and one with the dish wheels. And after putting 100,000 miles between those 2 bikes, I can truly tell you that you can feel a difference on the red bike in the wind. And when you're riding it does push you a little bit more. Also, I have a V-Rod, and my V-Rod has dish wheels. And that one you can really feel it on. And I'm not sure if that's the dish wheels or just the fact that the V-Rod's so freaking light, but the wind really whips that bike around. So I've ridden the red bike all over the country, and this silver bike. The silver bike's the one that has the spoke wheels. It had them when I bought it, but the silver bike, I usually have a big bag on the back too, and it still doesn't move around as much on the highway and on windy days as the red bike does. So there is definitely a difference with those wheels on the same exact bikes. So I would say for everybody that says it's a myth, I disagree. It's not. I can literally ride the 2 exact same year, make, model bikes and feel the difference when riding them. And one even has a big bag on the back and still doesn't move around as much as the one with the dish wheels does. So, for those of you asking that question and wondering, I've literally ridden both models for thousands upon thousands of miles, and I'm here to tell you there's a big difference. I guess while I'm on the subject of my Fatboys, Softails, and why I ride them, because everybody's like, oh, you need to get a bagger. I can basically turn my Softail into a bagger in 15 minutes. And that's one of the things I like the most about them. One, they're lighter. 2, I can pop the windshield on and off. I can put my bag and my backrest. It's a quick release. It pops on and off in just a couple minutes. So I can have the around town bike, or I can have, let's hit the open road and travel cross-country bike. For me, they're like the perfect mix of all of it. They don't have cruise control, but I have a throttle lock, which works perfectly. That was like 30 bucks. I have my highway pegs. I don't have a radio, but I don't need one. I have Bluetooth built into my helmet that runs off my phone, so I get all the navigation, any kind of music. As far as side bags go, I can get them and mount them on. I just don't have the need for them, so I don't worry about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you like motorcycle videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can ring that bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time we upload a new video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And leave us your comments, because we respond to them all. And remember guys, don't leave it in the garage. Take it out and play with it. See ya!